Are you curious of how you can delete your Strava account? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Strava account. Let's start by opening the Strava app on your device. On the app, click on the U button, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your Strava profile. Now click on the upper right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings. Scroll down and look for delete your account. Click on this and this will take you to a browser where you'll need to log into your Strava account. Make sure to log into your Strava account before going back to the application. Click on delete your account again on the application. And here you'll find the information that you'll need to know before you can delete your account. You can download your archive by clicking on download your archive, which is under download request. This is an optional step, but you can do this if you want to keep your archive. Now proceed to the deletion request and check on the checkbox before you can click on request account deletion. Now what you need to do is to proceed on opening your Google Mail account. In here, Strava will send you a confirmation letter. Open this email before you can confirm the deletion of your Strava account. Click on the delete your account button and this will redirect you into a browser where you'll need to click on delete your account again. After this, your Strava account will now be deleted on the platform. And there you have it, folks. That's how you delete your Strava account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this.